Nature doesn't always play by the rules. Number 1. The immortal jellyfish. It can literally reverse aging and start life over. Number 2. Boiling river in the Amazon. So hot it can cook anything alive. Number 3. Blood falls in Antarctica. A red river flowing from a glacier. Number 4. Trees that explode. The sandbox tree's fruits burst like bombs. Number 5. Animals that survive being frozen, like wood frogs which come back to life after thawing. Number 6. A lake that turns animals into stone, Tanzania's Lake Natron. Number 7. Fish that can walk on land. Meet the mud skipper. Number 8. Plants that eat mice. Pitcher plants have caught rodents. Number 9. Rocks that move on their own. In Death Valley with no wind. Number 10. Frogs that give birth through their backs. Yep, nature is wild and totally unpredictable.